Hello friends, in this video we will start with the basics. We will go to Azure portal and first create a resource group. So before creating a resource group, we need to know what is a resource group. So a resource group is a way to monitor your resources. So for example, I have a web application and I can put all the related web assets, like for example web app, the backend database, everything in a resource group, so that it's easy for me to manage the resources collectively. And Azure Resource Manager is the technology that basically manages the deployment in your resource group. So let's go to Azure portal and see a demo of how to create one.
So first go to portal.azure.com and expand the left hand section, and over here in the left hand section go to resource groups. In the resource group window, just say add a new resource group. In the resource group window, give a name for your resource group. So I will just say ADL underscore data. Subscription can be pay as you go, and resource group location can be any location that you choose. So I will choose one close to me. So this location shares or it creates all the metadata related to my resource group. So once you do that, just say create. So we have successfully created our resource group.